Hello kids. Look at the picture and guess the missing vowel. Let's learn and spell 3-letter words together. Are you ready for this fun game? Let's start. Look at the picture. It is a sun. Here, vowel is missing. S, N. Which letter completes the word? It is U, S, U, N. Sun. Can you say it again? S is for sun. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bus. Here, vowel is missing. B, S. Which letter completes the word? It is U, B, U, S. Bus. Can you say it again? B is for bus. 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 Look at the picture. It is a mug. Here, vowel is missing. M, G. Which letter completes the word? It is U, M, U, G. Mug. Can you say it again? M is for mug. 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 Look at the picture. It is a pup. Here, vowel is missing. P, P. Which letter completes the word? It is U, P, U, P. Pup. Can you say it again? P is for pup. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bun. Here, vowel is missing. B, N. Which letter completes the word? It is U, B, U, N. Bun. Can you say it again? B is for bun. 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 Look at the picture. It is a tub. Here, vowel is missing. T, B. Which letter completes the word? It is U, T, U, B. Tub. Can you say it again? T is for tub. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bug. Here, vowel is missing. B, G. Which letter completes the word? It is U, B, U, G. Bug. Can you say it again? B is for bug. 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 Look at the video. It is run. Here, vowel is missing. R, N. Which letter completes the word? It is U, R, U, N. Run. Can you say it again? R is for run. 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 Look at the picture. It is a cup. Here, vowel is missing. C, P. Which letter completes the word? It is U, C-U-P. Cup. Can you say it again? C is for cup. 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 Look at the picture. It is a hug. Here, vowel is missing. H, G. Which letter completes the word? It is U, H, U, G. Hug. Can you say it again? H is for hug. 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 Great job, kids! You learned many new 3-letter words today. See you in the next fun quiz.